The Barix Exstreamer 100 audio decoder is a compact network audio receiver that reliably turns audio over Internet Protocol streams into clean stereo sound for professional installations. It supports a wide range of formats, including popular compressed and uncompressed standards, so it slots easily into existing streaming setups without constant transcoding headaches. The unit offers both stereo line-level outputs and a dedicated headphone jack, making it flexible for permanent rack use as well as quick monitoring at the device. Its Ethernet connectivity is straightforward to configure and has proven stable in continuous use, which is crucial for background music, paging, and announcement systems. Low power consumption and fanless operation help the Exstreamer 100 run cool and quietly, an advantage in equipment rooms and sound-sensitive spaces. The inclusion of a universal serial bus port for local media playback, combined with Barix's reputation for durable hardware, makes this decoder a dependable choice for long-term audio over Internet Protocol projects.